the latest developments, Venezuela. So the Trump government, are they towards peace, actual peace?
See, I don't want to make any statement, the political statement now, because still the matter is in the court, where the Venezuela president is, facing the trial in the court. It was already established that Venezuela president was deeply involved in the drugs. Venezuela had become a center for China, but the attitude of Chinese, they were a threat for America. Venezuela is here and this is America. Same thing like India and Sri Lanka. So this strategy, what China has done in Sri Lanka for, terrorizing India, same thing they did in Venezuela. So I will appreciate Donald Trump,
Okay.
his vision, foresightness. He has already, made a study and then he did this thing. Of course, little human rights problem is there. I don't support that also. When the American troops have gone there to Venezuela, do you think Venezuela had enough army? They had full of missiles, they had full of equipment supplied by China. Why they did not retaliate? Why all the army was keeping quiet, keeping silent? Why in the next day the parliament, opposition leader and their own leader did not raise a single word? Everybody is quiet. Everybody is silent. That shows even the
They
ruling
wanted.
party of Venezuela and the opposition party of Venezuela and army is in support of this movement of stopping drugs.